there it is. By far the weirdest project I've done so far. But it was a lot of fun. I got to work on my carving skills, which is always good. And I have to say that I am actually quite happy with the way it turned out. It doesn't look too bad. And from a distance it probably looks like a real bow tie. But then close up you'll see that it's actually wood, and that's of course really cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, please hit the thumbs up. And you gentlemen out there, let me know in the comment section, is this bow tie something you could actually wear? Or is it just a fun shop project? Let me know. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all have a great Christmas. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.